They are family. And we known for performing their dance and music act all over the place. Tina Turner, Ike, and the Tinettes for over 20 years. For over 20 years they've been performing. Las Vegas with the kids and the grandkids. They are a very, very talented family. If you want to sign them up and make reservations to have them come to your party and do an act, all you got to do is reach out for James and Melinda Harris, Ike, and Tina Turner. Come on, where you at, Ike? Girl, you and I take a picture. Take a picture with Melinda. Mr. James Harris couldn't be here tonight. He's still stuck in Houston. He's in Houston, Texas. James couldn't be here tonight. Take a picture with your family. And Daryl and Ron Production. Give them another round of applause.
What's up, good foot steppers? Headed to the ballroom. Just walked past and noticed something was going on, all white, so decided to put on something white, see what's happening at the ballroom. I'll let everybody know. I'll give some footage and let everybody know what's going on later. But right now, I'm headed to the ballroom. All right, I'm up in here.